In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run PowerPoint in just 5 minutes. Whether you're preparing for an important business presentation, setting up for a classroom lecture, or just want to hone your PowerPoint skills, you're in the right place. PowerPoint is a powerful tool for creating professional presentations, and getting started with it is easier than you might think. First, let's focus on launching PowerPoint on your computer. No matter what operating system you're using, the process begins with a simple step: pressing a key on your keyboard. If you're working on a Windows machine, you're going to want to press the Windows key. It's the one with the iconic Windows logo on it, usually found on the lower left side of your keyboard. On the other hand, if you're using a Mac, look for the Command key. It might just be marked with its unique symbol, but you'll find it positioned on either side of the space bar. After pressing the respective key for your operating system, it's time to locate PowerPoint. Simply start typing PowerPoint as soon as the search bar appears. It's intuitive. As you type, your computer begins to filter through applications and files, narrowing down to PowerPoint. Once you've located Microsoft PowerPoint among the search results, it's time to get it open. Click on the PowerPoint icon or press enter when it's highlighted in the search results. This action will launch the application, bringing you to the initial PowerPoint screen. For those who are opening PowerPoint for the first time, this might be a moment of anticipation. You're on the verge of creating something new, something impactful. Now you're greeted with the opening screen of MS PowerPoint. This is where you can access recent presentations or choose to create something new. However, if you're here to work on an existing presentation, locating your file is your next step. Look for the open or recent options in the PowerPoint startup window. These sections are designed to give you quick access to your most recent projects or to navigate through your computer's folders to find the PowerPoint file you need. Choosing to open your file from this screen simplifies the process dramatically. It avoids the hassle of manually searching through folders in your File Explorer. Instead, with a few clicks, you're ready to dive back into your work. Whether it's a presentation you were just editing yesterday, or a file that's been sitting on your desktop, waiting for the right moment, accessing it is straightforward from within the PowerPoint opening screen. And there you have it. You're in. Your chosen PowerPoint file is now open and ready for action. From here, the possibilities are endless. You can add new slides, insert images or videos, play around with different design themes, animate your content, and much more. PowerPoint offers a wide array of tools and features designed to help you bring your ideas to life in a visually compelling way. But before we let our creative juices overflow, let's recap the steps to get here, because regardless of the complexity of your project, everything starts with these simple actions: pressing the Windows or Command key, searching for PowerPoint, opening the application, and then opening your file from the initial PowerPoint screen. These steps, while straightforward, are the gateway to the vast capabilities waiting for you within PowerPoint. Whether you're working on a business proposal, a school project, or a personal slideshow, mastering these initial steps ensures that your journey starts on the right foot. As you become more familiar with PowerPoint, you'll discover shortcuts, design hacks, and presentation tips that elevate your slides to the next level. However, every expert was once a beginner, and knowing how to efficiently open and access your PowerPoint files is the foundation upon which all great presentations are built. So, take a moment to explore the opening screen next time you launch PowerPoint. Familiarize yourself with the recent files, or take a dive into the various templates PowerPoint offers. Each click brings you closer to becoming a PowerPoint pro. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial on launching PowerPoint and opening your presentations. Dive in, experiment, and don't hesitate to push the boundaries of what you can create. PowerPoint is a tool at your disposal, ready to transform your ideas into visually stunning realities. Until our next tutorial, happy presenting,